Good morning, everyone. I wanted to take a few minutes and kind of show you the process of what you need to do if you are trying to sign into the desktop version of Outlook and you don't know your password, and every password you try isn't working to log in, such as what has happened to me this morning. So, if you remember, when we went to the multi-factor authentication, you were given a really long password. It's like 15 characters, letters, maybe numbers, and you were supposed to save this password. Well, this password, that really long 15 character password, is what you need to use when you're trying to log into the desktop version of Outlook. And I'm talking about the desktop version. This is the one you get to from the start menu on the computer, not the online version. So in this instance, it has logged me out for some reason. I don't know if the password's expired or if it's just kind of kicked me out for whatever reason. And I don't remember that I don't have that 15-digit password. So I have to go in and create a new password. And I wanted to show you that process because it's really very simple to do that. So you can see this is where I'm going to enter that password, and I'm just going to kind of move that off the screen for now, and I'll bring that back in a minute. But to make a new password, you have to be into the online version of Office 365, and you can see that I'm in that now. And up here in the upper left-hand corner, upper right-hand corner, you see your, I'm going to call it an avatar. It could be a picture, could be your initials. I've changed mine to a picture. You need to click on that, and we're going to click on View Account. So we have to get to your account settings. And from here, you're going to see a bunch of settings. You may not know what some of these are, and that's okay. But we're going to go into Security Info, and we're going to click Update Info. And we're going to take a minute for that to come up. And here you see, this is the security information that you have set up. And I have, and this is where you can add, a phone number to get a text to authenticate. I have the Microsoft Authenticator. I've got an alternate email, and you have this thing called @password. Well, this @password is what you use to get into your desktop application. And this is just a name. This is not the actual password. Once the password is created, it disappears. You can't see it again. So the only way to get a new password is to delete this and create a new one. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this password. And it'll say, are you sure? Yes. I want to get rid of that. And that's gone. And then I need to create a new one. So I'm going to click on this Add Sign-In method. And I'm going to choose a method, and I'm going to call it app password. I need to create a new app password. I'm going to change that option. I'm going to click add. I'm going to give it a name. I'm just going to call it app password. It can be the same name as what you had before, but it must be 8 characters. Click next. And here is the new long 15-character password. It says keep this password in a safe place. It will not be shown again. So you can take a picture of it, copy paste it into a document and save it, whatever you need to do to save it. But I'm going to simply copy it right now. And if you just click these right here, hover over that look like 2 little pages, you can click that and it's going to copy it automatically. And I'm going to bring this screen back, and I'm going to paste that password in. I'm going to click Remember My Credentials, so I only have to do it once. I'm going to click OK. At this point, it's logging me into Outlook. Everything's working fine. I'm done. I can close that. And everything should be good now. Okay. So once you have to log into Microsoft Outlook and you don't know that long 15-character password, now you know how to create a new app password and get into it on your own. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask.